नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई सेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इन जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session we are going about discuss the self management. What is the self management and meaning of the self management? So let's start now. What is self management? Everything you need to know and about sales management. The sales management is slowly and connected with the direction and control of the sales force. It refers to the management of sales personnel and through sometimes in the broader sense on the it the cover and advertising, distribution and pricing and product and designing all elements of market management. It is related mainly to the management of the sales development and which is the important organizational and unit of management. Sales management, the sales force may communicate and effectively with the other departments of the company if it is a well planned organization and has appropriate and distribution network. It refers to the directions and control of salesmen, the planning, recruiting and selecting, training, organizing, supervision and compensating on the coordinating of the sales force, and all these come under sales management and it is the part of pressure of the marketing management. And different types of sales management. The sales management, different types of sales management. First one is evolutions of sales management and meaning of sales management, definitions, objectives, roles and importance, process and implementations, emerging and trends, and the sales management and control. And different types of sales management. Sales management, we are connected the planning, directions and control. The planning and directions control, there are three types: the sales force management and personal selling activities and other sales functions, and we are connected to the other sales functions and sales force management, sales efforts, and also connected sales goals. Now discuss the meaning of sales management. The sales management is slowly connected with the directions and control of the sales force. The sales force management refers to the management of sales personnel and through sometimes in a broader sense. It covers and advertising, distributions and pricing and product designing all elements of marketing management. The American Marketing Association has defined and sales management at the planning and directions and control of personal selling, the including equiting and selecting and equipping, assigning, routing and supervising and paying and motivating as these tasks apply to the personal sales force. Now, it may be called sales force management. The management has manifold and responsibilities. The controlling and guiding the sales force is one of the important activities of management. The sales management is related mainly to the management of the sales department, and which is an important organizational unit of management. The sales force may communicate and effectively with the other departments of the company, and if it is a well planned and organizations and has an appropriate distributions network. So, sales management effort may be extend in the directions of securing and maintaining and motivating, the supervising and evaluating and controlling an effective field sales force. Now, the modern concept of sales and management revolves around the development of human resource. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.